Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna check whether a entered number is even or odd. We will be using Java programming language for this particular tutorial. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, we will create a public void method which will take an integer number as an input, and based on that input, we'll check whether that particular input is even or not. So I will give the method name as a check even or odd. And as I told you earlier, we will take one integer number as an argument. So now, once we got that particular integer, first we'll check whether that particular number is divisible by 2 or not. So if number mod 2 is equal to 0, so if this condition is true, then that particular number is even. So we will print in a out that given number is even. If this condition is false, then in else block we will print that given number is odd. So in this way we can check whether particular given number is even or odd. So let's create a main method and test our code. I will make this particular method as a static so that there is no issue while using this particular method inside our static main method. So first I will declare a int variable int number, and inside this first I will give a even number. 56 is a even number. And now we will call our function check if even or odd, and I will pass this particular number. So now once we execute this program, it should print that this given number is even because we have passed 56, which is an even number. Let's execute our program and check whether it is giving correct output or not. So here you can see it is printed that given number is even. Let's give one odd number. Let's take example of 17. Now when I will execute the program, it should print that given number is odd. Let's run it again. So here you can see it is printing given number is odd. So in this way you can check whether particular number is even or odd. That's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet in the next video for more such informative content.